Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a video background in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click the More button at the bottom of your screen to open the control menu. Select Video Effects and Settings from that menu to open the Effects panel on the right. You'll see a range of background options. For this example, I'm selecting Standard Blur. Now try one of the animated backgrounds. I'll pick In the Zone 6. You can preview different backgrounds before applying one. Here, I'm trying Escape Artist 3. And another one, Imagination at Play 5. I'll go back to Escape Artist 3. To upload your own image, click Add New at the top of the Background section. A file picker opens. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved. I'm checking the Pictures folder. Select the image file you want to use. Click Open. If you see an error about invalid image size, the image needs to meet Teams dimensions. So I'll stick with a built-in background, selecting Escape Artist 6 instead. Click Apply and turn on video at the bottom of the panel. Click Apply again to confirm, and once more to finalize it. Your video background is now active. If you're uploading your own background image, it needs to be at least 1920 by 1080 pixels and under 5 megabytes, or Teams will reject it with that invalid size error. You can change or remove your background anytime by opening Video Effects and Settings again and picking a different option or selecting None to turn it off. The animated backgrounds like Escape Artist and In the Zone work best if your lighting is even. Poor lighting can cause flickering around the edges. And that's how to use a video background in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.